생존 여행 영어 시작합니다. 가판대에서 간식과 음료를 구매할 때
Hi, is this food stand open?
Yes, we're open. Would you like to order something?
I'll start with one rice ball, please.
Sure, would you like anything to drink?
Yes, I'd like one iced coffee and a bottle of coconut water.
No problem. Would you like a straw for the coconut water?
Yes, please. Oh, and do you have any popsicles?
I'm sorry. Popsicles are sold out for today.
That's okay. I'll just take the rice ball and the drinks.
Got it. One rice ball, one iced coffee, and one bottle of coconut water with a straw.
Perfect. That's my order.